Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our panel discussion titled Dimensions of Digitisation in Banking. Today's discussion is focused on how business leaders can leverage FinTech innovations in merchant onboarding processes. Hi, Rajeev and Arpit. Thank you for joining us today. Arpit, the merchant onboarding process has historically been a long, drawn out affair, right? What are the
Yes.
most prominent FinTech innovations that are enabling EODB for merchants?
Yeah. I think if we want to understand it, there has been through years a lot of processes which were involved when you were onboarding a merchant. Typically, any bank would take 2 to 3 weeks in a good scenario, and sometimes it could even take more than a month to onboard merchant. And there was just huge amount of paperwork, huge amount of checks that need to be done on the back end as well. And I think what has changed and some of the things which the government also has really done well. One of them is GST in India, which has allowed for easy, quick verification of the businesses. We have now adopted digital signatures, which have become very prominent, especially by use among businesses, which has helped. There has been, I think, huge amount of, and this is something which is across the sector, but I think there's been significant development of AI, and which has truly transformed a lot of these manual processes and made them completely automated.
So, Rajiv, as per reports, Mastercard has targeted 10 million merchants in India by 2020. That's this year. What are some of the most important initiatives that you have taken in this regard so far?
Yeah, thanks. Thanks for the question, Rudra. Acceptance development is one of the key pillars of our strategy in India and remains so. I'll begin with an interesting statistic which highlights as to how we have invested and how we have powered digital acceptance in India in the past few years. While ATM numbers have remained flat at around 240,000 ATMs around India, digital acceptance at POS and online, which is primarily the number of places where a customer can use their cards, has increased from 13 lakhs in 2015 to 70 lakhs, which is a growth of 5 times in the last 4 years, 4.5 years, which has been phenomenal. And most of this growth has come primarily from tier 2 and 3 and small towns and villages around India.